Hi, hi, hi. Bye-bye. Ho, 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 ho. Loy-loy mong matabay. Agwanta mga ka-driver. Agwanta mads. Na 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 to find you now. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Mami Chel, thank you kayo Mami Chel. Salamat yung kayo. Di Baby Dare, thank you so much Baby Dare sa pagpanggap. Ever since the world began. Salamat talaga sa pagpalangga sa akin. Nangga jud kay kunimo sa una pa jud na ba. Napakog Pinas. I wanna say thank you to everyone. Even I'm in the Philippines before that I have any money na, no more money, no honey. They are very willing and open arms to help me. Thank you so much. Mommy Dare, Baby Dare, thank you kay Baby Dare. Your Mommy Dare is si Ate Dare ni mo na jud diri sa layuan. Until now nga na ako diri always ka mag-care na ako, mangumusta ka na ako. Thank you so much for that. I'm very happy and appreciated gyud kayo ng imong ginahimo sa ako. You're always and thank you for spreading love for me, ha? Nga genuine jud kay nga love oy o pag-care oy. Noon pa man hanggang ngayon talaga palangga jud ko nimo. And I'm very happy to know you, Jud Mami. Baby Dare, salamat Baby Dare. I love you Baby Dare. Thank you so much. Pinangga kayo ko nimo ba? Isag naglagyo na kayo ta. Isag kadyo taga kuyog-kuyog sa una ba? Pinangga kayo ko nimo. Thank you for you know already and how to read a person. Salamat kayo sa imong nakita nimo ang akong mapagmahal na kasing-kasing. Thank you so much for that kay imo jung nawiwi og nakita jud nimo ang akong mapalanggaong gawi ug ako ang kaugalingon, ha. And guys, I wanna say to you guys nga about this. Mag-thank you gyud ko ni Baby Dare kay unsa man sa in the time that without rice, without food, without money, she is very ready to send me money. Even I didn't ask, guys. She just said, can you have an account, a GCash? It's just like this. Honestly, I'm proudly to tell you guys, she didn't even I didn't even ask her. That's the good news. I didn't even. That's why I wanna say thank you so much, Baby Dare, good for the love, kay. I didn't even ask for her for help. Even the time I have no money, no food, no nothing. Very poor at that time. No money. When Yoyo died, I don't know how to handle myself. Of course, I'm still what's this? I find in my own way how to survive, especially my heart still dying at that time. My God, my goodness. Yeah. My Yoyo is my kuan, my favorite man jud kayo in my life. Favorite jud kay pinangga jud kay nako akong yoyo. I really love my yoyo. I really adore my yoyo. Then suddenly he died and I have no yoyo anymore. Oh, that's bad. For me, that's too bad for me. That's why it's not easy for me to live without yoyo. So I cannot handle everything. Especially when your soul is dying po. When my yoyo died, my soul is died also already. That's why it's not easy for me to stand alone. It's not easy to live continually. It's not easy for me to continue my life without my yoyo. That's the reason why. Then this baby dear is very. Even she met me in a short time. I don't know why she loved me so much. She just asked me, she just offer a help. Maybe Yoyo touched her heart also. I don't know. Maybe God, of course. God see us, you know.
In 600 meters,
She just
keep left to stay
get online just like this and ask me, Mommy, Ate dear, she said, Ate dear, are you okay out there? Because she know already about Yoyo, my Yoyo, and she know also how close we are. Then suddenly my behalf died. It's
Keep
not
left
good,
to stay on
right?
Alidahad Road.
It feels so bad. Okay, then she's very concerned about me. Then how I am. Then she just offer. Even I didn't ask for money. She just asked, what's your number for GCash, baby dear, because I want to send something for you. I thought it's 500 or for snack 200 maybe like this. You know what, guys? How much she give to me? 2,000. 2,000, and she's very willing to give more. But for that, I'm very shocked. Oh, thank you so much, baby dear. I love you, baby dear, so much. I said in my mind, I need to keep continuing my life because, you know, until now, some of the people love me also and need me in this world. Because before I was thinking, no, I have nothing anymore because my yoyo is not here. I'm alone just like this.
In
I don't
500
know.
meters, continue straight to stay on Alidahad
I'm not
Road,
happy
Dubai,
anymore to my
Sharjah.
life. Then suddenly, these people, this kind human being, yun talaga nakapagising sa akin,
Continue
guys, na
straight to stay on
to continue
Alidahad
the
Road,
life.
Dubai, Sharjah Road.
That's the truth yun. So, yun ang kwento na ni my baby dear.
Keep left to continue.
Basta ila-ila na ninyo kaya ako nang i-post si baby dear. Time to time, guys.
Continue on E11 for 1 kilometer.
Time to time, guys, magkuan ra ko, ipang-post ra na ko ning mga tao. Number 1 po si Sir Adoy. My God, thank you good Sir Adoy. Thank you so much Sir Adoy. Pasensya na ni atong mga English diri nga nagkalandrakas na gyud. Thank you so much for you, for your family, to ate. Thank you so much yun ninyong duha kay ngano.
Continue on E11.
When I come your house, when I just knock your door, my God, not just knock, when you see me in front of your house, automatically you ask, hi madam, how are you? What can I do? What help we can do on you? Grabe, kalipay kayo ko ba? Sabi ko, wow, may man dyan niya. No, makaana dyan ko ba? Nara dyan day Ginoo. Kaana dyan kadang. Nara dyan day Ginoo nga mo kuan naglantaw kay kanang mga tawhana na, o di ba? Wala ko ga-expect nga mutra sila nako, sus dako kayo na ilang gihatag na ko nga kwarta, oy. Naa sa 100,000 na. Gawi siya, no? Na, di ba? Kay kabalo man sila at that time nga needed kayo ko ba kay, you know na, guys. First of all, when my yoyo is still alive, everything is fixed. Fixed na. Kung mo lingkod ko diya sa lamisa, fixed na everything is fixed. But the time na my yoyo died, tanan lahat ako yung nagtatrabaho talaga. sa property, sa mga papers, everything, where to get money, everything, how to manage the money. It's not easy, guys. My goodness. Then may gali, guys, good news kay kani mga tawhana, binigyan talaga ko ng pera, guys. No question, even you died already. Of course, they can already they can question my capability or ability to pay. Right, guys? Pwede nilang i-question, makabayad pa kaha ni siya. She can pay me in this big money, o diba, ganon ba, diba, no? But guys, wala talagang question, binigay talaga automatic. Wow, sana all talaga. Sabi ko sarili ko, no, kung mabuti ka talaga sa buong buhay mo, ginawa mo kabutihan lang talaga, time to time talaga pag magka-emergency ka, yun, hindi ka talaga magkakaproblema. Tao na talagang lalapit sa'yo kasi tutulong din sa'yo, kasi of course with the help of God talaga. Kasi kung wala hindi yan, when God didn't touch their heart, wala jud, bisan singkong duling dagway, wala jud dagway tabang na to, guys. At least lipay ko dang. So that's why I keep talaga still kind and good. Always good lang yun tani, wala gyud ta magbad-bad kay para dili gyud ta magkuan, dili gyud ta masyakoy, o diba? Ganon lang talagang kasimplihan ng buhay ko. Ganon lang talaga ang istorya ng buhay ko, guys. Very good jud kaayo. Diri ko maagi kay nag-traffic na, guys. Jumeirah, okay. I'm going to Jumeirah, so I'm going to go to street. Pasensya na mong English ko di ano. Nag-English ko dre, guys, kay basin nag-English po ako para kasi merong ano to dito may mata to. Kaning sakyanan ni naamang gud ni mata. Matingala niya sila basig na kaingon sila ba nga nagmarites ko dire. So manang usahay at least makasabot sila nga lahi ra kong istoryahan, no. O diba? So yun lang, guys. So i-open na ako ni taas naman kay niya tong pagkamarites. Hi mga marites. Sa namang orasa, oy.